wọn lọ kò sẹ́ni kankan tó lè dẹ́rù bà wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lásìkò bá tó wà láìtàlá ìsúnmọ́ bíi láìláṣíláhùwà àwa lá nílẹ̀ ṣèbí Joe Biden ló ti lọ nísìn mo sọ fún yín pé Amẹ́ríkà ò lè ṣe nothing mo sọ fún yín Joe Biden ní Ọlọ́run kó sẹ́mi ẹ̀ pé máa lọ ẹ̀ tún lọ gbé lómi wá America cannot stop what is about to play out in Nigeria. Àdẹ̀níjẹ́ kọ́ lo Nigeria as a battleground for Africa and the Europe and the West. Nítorí pé tó bá ń bára wọn jà, kọjá láàrin ìlú wọn, kọjá láàrin UK àti Russia, kọjá láàrin America. We do not want the battleground in Africa. Èyí tẹ́ jà, tẹ́ lu àwọn bàbá ńlá wa fi lọ jà World War I, World War II. We will not allow a World War III in Africa, not in Yoruba land. Gbogbo tó bá gbà la máa ṣe, ètùtù ni a máa ṣe, àdúrà ni a máa ṣe. Nobody around the world will use Africa again for their own piniki or whatever they think they will do. Ẹ ti lo Africa too long. Ẹ ti sọ wá di tí kò jẹ́ ká dì lénìí and we will stop that. Ìran Yorùbá dẹ̀ ló lè stop ẹ̀, ló lè challenge wọn. Bí ṣe ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ń gbọ́. Wọ́n mọ ibi tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Spiritual fight là ń jà. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ní kú sí, àwọn ọlọ́mọ kú sí. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó bá gbé ọwọ́ lé wa lórí, ẹ máa bá lọ ní, ọba ní, ìjòyè ní, politician ní, anywhere around the world. Nítorí pé the Yoruba people must be free from the bondage. Mo ní Tinubu ti tà yín, ọmọ bomb bastard ni, ó ti ta gbogbo wa. But tásìkò bá tó lórí ilẹ̀ yẹn, mo ní concerning social media láti máa declare Yoruba nation. Ilẹ̀ wa láti máa make declaration yẹn tásìkò bá tó. But for now, let's give more reason why Yoruba people must be prepared and ready for whatever will happen because Yoruba people will be free. Sọ pé òun fẹ́ lo network láti fi lọ wá legal system. We want the legal system to work for anybody regardless of your status. Why are we living in denial? Gbogbo ilẹ̀ mọ̀ yẹn náà. Torí pé yìí ti ní access, ẹ ti ní bọ́tì tẹ̀lé pé, ẹ ti ní àwọn tẹ̀ máa sáré pé tí nǹkan kan bá go wrong. Tọ́lọ́pàá bá dá yín dúró, ìbárí Rufai, Tony, I will call the governor. Why do you need to call the governor? Ẹ gbé lọ sí court, kó lọ yanjú ẹ̀ ní court. We are liars, Yoruba people. Irọ́ ti pọ̀jù fún gbogbo wa. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nigeria ò ṣiṣẹ́, but yet because we are still benefactor of Nigeria as well, one way or the other, intimidating each other. Ìtọ́ kí gbogbo wa sọ pé yes, kò bẹ ẹgbẹ́ tá à ń ṣe jẹ́ labroad, kò lè gbẹgbẹ́ jẹ́ nílé, but ẹ lọ sí Ìjẹ̀bú padà nísìn, kẹ́ lọ bèrè pé kí ni economic value Ìjẹ̀bú Òde tí gbogbo yìí ti lọ ṣe ojúde ọba tá à ń parọ́ fúnra wa. How many years lọ ti ń ṣe ojúde ọba? Ṣé ó mú transformation kankan wá sí gbogbo Ogun State? Why are we telling lies to ourselves? Irọ́ ti pọ̀ jù. Liars, Yoruba people. Irọ́ ti pọ̀ jù fún wa. We are all liars, including myself. Deceivers. Let us go back to the root. Just like we are hearing now that Shakara Williams was born before Nigeria in 1914 fraudulent amalgamation. I will not be surprised he was killed because Kilo Lepa at age 59. So that is the Nigeria that they were saying that they know that people will die before they are 52. Say maybe suffering 52. If Shakara Williams died in 9, go and ask Tolu Lope's family if she survived. Bámi ṣe Tolúwa tọ́rẹ̀ lórí bọ́ọ̀ ṣé torí bá fẹ́ máa sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tán wọ́n sì pọ̀ ọmọ yẹn lékẹ̀ wọ́n lè gbogbo kọ́lá ẹ̀ ní sórí rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ní pé ká keep Nàìjíríà ogun máa wọlé pààyàn ni bomb bastard idiot all over the place. Tó bá yẹ pé ọmọ tiẹ̀ lọ yọ gbogbo pátá rẹ̀ tó wá jù sójú títì inú ọ̀wá máa dùn pé ká keep Nàìjíríà. Bàbá ẹ̀ wà láyé ìyá ẹ̀ wà láyé no justice for Ayanwola Bámi ṣe. Nigeria did not support her. They did not give her anything. She was a fashion designer heading towards her sister's house. Sister to lóyún tó máa bímọ. Bastard all over the place. I'm a deceiver. Let me just keep it like